Hi, I'm Jay, and one of the questions we get is how do I fix my drum style humidifier? The motor's not turning. Okay, so here's our demo unit, and we have the furnace running. The humidistat is set as high as we can get it, and nothing's happening here with the drum. So we're going to get our voltmeter out here and test to see if we have power. We should have somewhere in the neighborhood of 24 volts AC going to this motor, and we're going to test for that. Now, before we go ahead and get our meter out here, we're going to kill the power to the furnace so that we can safely attach our wires to these wires. Be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Okay, now that the power is turned off, we're going to carefully remove the wire nuts here. It's important that when you remove the wire nuts, you're careful not to short these out to the ductwork or each other, and you want to have them attached. Okay, so they're still connected to the motor as well as the humidistat. So they're still attached, and we're going to set these on the side here. We're going to get our leads out for the voltmeter and attach it. Okay, there we are, we're attached. Now we're going to turn the power back on. Now the power's back on, furnace is running. Again, we have the humidistat spun up as high as we can get it. As you can see, we have 19.7 volts AC power right now. So that means that this motor should be spinning, and as you can see, if you look inside the window there, the drum is not rotating. So we happen to have power to the motor's not spinning, we have a bad motor. Now, at this point, you would replace the motor and put it all back together and retest it. If you don't have a voltmeter, you won't have the luxury of being able to do this. However, you have something else you can do. If you have a motor that you hear it making a clicking noise, it's obviously energized because it's trying to run, but the drum is not turning. That means the gears are stripped out inside of this motor, in which case it's time to replace the motor. Okay, so now we're on to the last option. We have the voltmeter connected, we have no voltage, the furnace is running, and the humidistat is spun all the way up. So right now, we should have power here, but we don't. So our problem is probably back at the humidistat. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.